Stop treating your balance sheet like a secret and start treating it like a passport. Because in the world of institutional capital, access isn't granted based on ambition, it's granted based on clarity. Most cannabis operators aren't just missing capital, they're missing the language to ask for it, the structure to support it, and the credibility to sustain it. You think your books are compliant because your CPA checked the boxes, filed the returns, and closed the year clean. But to an institutional underwriter, that's not enough. They're not reading for compliance, they're reading for conviction. And what they often see is a fragmented story, a financial map written in a dead language. Compliance keeps you out of trouble. Bankability gets you funded. Institutional capital doesn't gamble on narratives or chase hype in emerging sectors. They invest in precision, in discipline, in structures that can withstand scrutiny. If your capital stack is layered without intention, if your assumptions don't reconcile, if your risk isn't clearly identified and mitigated, due diligence won't just challenge your deal, it will dismantle it completely. At Equis Capital Finance, we don't play the game of sending deals out and hoping something sticks. That's not capital advisory, that's noise. What we do is fundamentally different. We step in between your operational reality and the institutional lens through which your deal will be judged. We identify the disconnects, we resolve them, and then we translate your business into a language that capital actually understands. We pre-underwrite every opportunity before it ever reaches a lender's desk. That means we take your real estate, your equipment, your receivables, your entire asset base, and we break it down. We rebuild it into a coherent structure that demonstrates liquidity, security, and a clear path to repayment. We align your projections with reality, we challenge your assumptions, and we position the deal not as a hopeful ask, but as an executable opportunity. Because lenders don't fund ideas. They fund outcomes they can measure, control, and protect. Too many operators lose momentum chasing maybes. Maybe this lender will look at it. Maybe this investor will understand it. Maybe the story is strong enough. But in capital markets, maybe is just a slow rejection. It drains time, credibility, and opportunity. The shift is simple, but it's not easy. Stop presenting a cannabis business. Start presenting a high-yield institutional asset. One that is structured, de-risked, and aligned with how capital is actually deployed. Because this isn't just about surviving in a complex industry, it's about positioning yourself to dominate within the capital stack. Equis Capital Finance. Precise underwriting, disciplined structuring, executable capital. If you're ready to stop guessing and start positioning your business the way institutions require, now is the time. Secure your bridge to institutional capital. Click the link and begin your pre-underwriting assessment today.